something about yourself.
Hey everyone, my name is Charlene Alarito. I'm third year high school last year, and I'm fourth year high school as of today, and hopefully tomorrow, and hopefully not next year.
Alright? Anong usual hobbies mo? Things that you like?
Buhay ko, parang cycle na sir, paulit-ulit. Anong ginagawa ko sa isang araw, paulit-ulit lang siya. Ising, punta eskwela, uwi, tulog, ising, eskwela, uwi, study.
Asa ka lumaki?
Based on my bagsak na calculations, I've been here in Tagum for 15 years and 23 days.
So it was your birthday 23 days ago? Diba?
August 2, sir.
Wow.
August 2.
Wow, belated happy birthday. Okay, so you like the place?
Yeah, so much.
Why?
Kasi sir, nothing feels like home. Kahit city po siya, yung Tagum, yung hangin niya kakaiba. Nakahanap na natin yung talaga.
Alright. Places that you would bring friends from out
Anywhere
of
sir,
sight.
kasi like E-Park, sa E-Park sir, kahit friends mo lang dala mo, you can do anything. Excuse me sa mga dirty-minded na person. Mas maka-active ang imagination.
Okay, what other places?
Sir,
And aside from E-Park?
kahit sa streets lang sir, okay lang sir. Kasi ganyan kaganda ang tao.
Alright. Okay, how would you rate Tagum from a scale of 1 to 10? Alright, thank you, Melodito. Okay, camera 2, and you're live.
This is Charlene Garbito of Tagum City National High School. At ito ang kwento ko.